What's going on YouTube? So I'm going to show you how to make this type of money. Look at this. It's like $306, $23.50, right? There's 165, 117.50. So I'm going to show you how to earn money online automatically for free. This is going to be some true passive income. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead. Make sure you watch the entire thing. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step method. I'm going to show you the tools that you can use. I'm going to show you the software. And the good thing about this is going to be for free. So that means zero money invested into this. The only thing you have to do is invest your time. So I'm going to show you because I've get a lot of messages every day saying, Andre, you know, I'm very low on cash right now. Is it possible to show me a way how to make money online? And I said, why not? Because I remember when I was just starting out, I didn't have a lot of money to pay ads and run my business. So I had to go freeway. So I'm going to show you how to earn money automatically for free. So you can set this up. You can let it run consistently for you throughout the day, at nighttime when you sleep. So you don't have to do any major work, and it does not require a lot of setup. So again, watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And, you know, I appreciate the love by liking this video and then share it with somebody who you think it's going to benefit, because there's other people out there that would love to watch a video like this. So take the video, copy it, and post it onto your Facebook and other social media platform. I'll really appreciate it. You know, spread the love and share with other people. So I'm going to show you how to earn money online for free. And this is some true passive income that is going to be working for you. All right. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to head on over to Instagram. Excuse me. So we're going to go to Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to set this up on autopilot. So this is not like follow page and follow back and do all this crazy stuff. It's like, well, you got to like this page, you got to follow, unfollow in order for you to grow your page. I'm going to show you how to do it automatically and how customers can go directly to start buying your products, because there's a lot of people and there's a lot of high top celebrities are using this platform that I'm going to share with you. So it actually worked. But here's what I'm going to do. We're going to go out and we're going to go find something that is hot, that people are looking. And one thing that people are always looking for is health, right? People are always looking for wealth and relationship. Those are the high competitive niche. So we're going to go into it. And what I'm going to share with you is we're going to go into the health niche, but we're going to dissect it a little bit, and we're going to make sure that we narrow it down and find the people that is looking for what we're trying to sell. Okay. So I'm going to get off camera for a little bit. And what we're going to be doing, I want to go into the health. So health related, if you go into the health lifestyle, there's so many different things that people pop up. There's like exercise, there's like gym instructions, right? People over here, like this guy is in the gym, right, with his t-shirt on. And of course, there's girls going to be posting shakes and all that stuff, Shakeology. So because health is such a broad field, what we're going to do, we're going to go with health and we're going to narrow it down. And for this one, we're going to go into yoga. So we're going to go to yoga because yoga is a good thing. As you can see, there's over 75 million posts regarding around yoga, and people are always going into yoga. Like if you follow these huge yoga pages and you could see what the people are doing, like this is huge. People just like yoga because you can, you know, it's a great exercise. It calms your mind, your body, everything, and it just puts you in a whole different mindset. So people are always interested into yoga. So that's why what I'm sharing with you is all about getting to the yoga niche, and you can make money and earn money online automatically with what I'm going to share with you. So if you don't know what Instagram and how to use it, you can always come over here and you can get pictures. Again, when you do post these pictures on your particular Instagram account, you want to make sure that you give people a shout out, you know, so shout them out, let them know that, you know, I got your picture from my page, from their page, and you want to share it on their page as well. So you can see right here, there's like a mom doing yoga. This girl is like super flexible. So, right, we're going to repost these pictures and we're going to tap into the yoga niche. So there's a tool that you can use. It's called Insta Downloader, and you have to get it from get it if you have Chrome, you can get it from Chrome. If you don't have a computer and you want to screenshot from your phone, you can screenshot it and you can use it. So screenshot it, edit it a little bit, repost it, and then you just tag. So I'm going to show you why some of these people are not capitalizing and they're not making the money that they deserve. So I'm going to post this person right here. So this is Kara Houston. She said, "Hollow back, I'm coming for you," right? So she's working on a hollow. Like if you click on here, she has over 1,097 followers, right? Plant-based chef. She's an artist. She's got a YouTube channel, as you can see. Well, if you're watching this YouTube video, hey, I'm giving you a shout out. So this person is, deep into yoga. Like this is what they want to do is yoga and right. And the only thing they're doing is they're doing a backlink to their YouTube channel, which is good. So they're both growing the YouTube channel and they are also, getting more followers. So this right here, this person have, one view. And as you can see, writer, director, RN, and a yoga, right? So she's consistently posting yoga stuff. Well, this is a little bit flaunty here, but hey, she's showing her skin, but there's no affiliate links up here. Likewise, if you look, you keep going down and you see people like this one right here. This person, Sania Joya Yoga, 199 followers. So you get the idea where I'm going from. There's so many places that you can go and you could build your yoga page and grow it. Now I'm going to give you a tool that you can use. So this is going to be automatic and you can make money on autopilot. So this person has an Eventbrite ticket right here. Not sure what they're advertising, but this is how you want to set it up. You want to put, put some yoga things right here. Put some emojis. You can put your email address if you want. If you want to create a Gmail account about yoga, and this is where you're going to put the affiliate link. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be signing up for Amazon. So we're going to sign up for Amazon. And when we sign up for Amazon, we're going to go and type in yoga. So you can type in yoga mats for men, yoga for women. It doesn't matter what it is, right? If you click on yoga mat, once you sign up for their affiliate program on Amazon, now you can start to promote this. Like this right here, this is like $42.95. This is like $14, right? 16, 96, 18, and the list goes on and on again. So you can find different things to promote and build an affiliate link. So instead of you putting one affiliate link every time, I'm going to show you another tool where you can put multiple links and you can set it up where when people go on there, they have choices and it looks like a Shopify store. So it's not Shopify, but and it's free. You're not using any money to do this. So everything that I'm showing you in this video is absolutely free. So there's like yoga strapped. All right, so there's yoga strap. As you right here, there's like $29.16. So many different prices. Like this one right here, like yoga strap. So we're gonna go to the particular website, and it's called kit.co. So kit.co. And if you look, you'll realize you recognize some of these guys, right? Like Sean. Sean always sells his camera online. Healthy Cooking is another place. Vlog Life. These are big YouTubers, right? The Songwriter Kit. There's filming, photography. So many people on here, like Matthew, like this guy. Like if you don't know some of these guys, you've not been on YouTube long enough. So they're the ones that are always promoting their products. Now, this is absolutely free. You don't need any money to sign up. So you just click on where it says here, click to sign up. You put your email address in, right? And to put your email address in, you're going to sign in and you're going to land on your store like this. So you can start to edit it. You can start add kit. So you can click on here where it says create kit. For example, you can put the kit name. Let's go back to Amazon. And let's say you want to copy this Medusa yoga strap, right? So you click on Medusa yoga strap. You come here, put Medusa yoga strap. You can also get the description, right? So let's say you want to get the description of this, right? So you want to take this for the headline. So you would copy this. So what you're doing, you're just copying and pasting, right? People already do the work for you. So you just put it in there. And you just come down here and you can copy all of this and you can add it into the description, right? Bada bing, bada boom. and then you click next. Once you click next, you can search for the product, right? Search for the product if you want, or you could just paste the affiliate link. So you'll get your affiliate link once you sign up for Amazon. You copy your affiliate link, and then you would put it right here, and then you click next. Once you do that, everything is going to be already set up for you, and your store is going to look somewhere like these guys, like Sean. So if you click on Sean's store, right, this is what Sean's store look like. So I said, this is absolutely free. You don't need to, spend any money to do this because people are using it. And I don't know how long this is going to be up for free. Normally, when things get too populated and too popular, they're going to start charging for this. So sign up for it, keep it. And as you look right here, there's Sean. He has his own things he's selling on here. So this is what your store would look like. And it will look like yoga. So you can put different yoga things on your store. Now we got the store set up. We got our Instagram account set up. We already got our affiliate link. Now it's time to do the automation. So as I said, watch this video to the end. And for the people who still here, hey, you're going to crush this. This can work for you worldwide. So we're going to go to a particular website that is called postearly.com. So postearly.com, as you can see the pricing here, it is absolutely free. You can put one account on there. There's no ads, there's no watermark, there's no catch module, and the storage is like 50 megabyte, right? Just like the other one. So if you want to pay like a $3 membership fee, which is basic, you can have up to 3 Instagram accounts if that's what you want. But if, as I said, if you're balling on a budget and you're getting this for free, just do keep in mind that you're going to be posting with, post early. You're going to set up your Instagram account on here. It's going to grow for you. It's going to post when you're sleeping, and it's going to post when you're at work. So if you're busy at work, just set it up, pick a day, automate it, set it up. And when you post, your pictures, always refer people. Hey, if you want to learn more, click out the link in my description. Use hashtags, use all that type of stuff, and always send people to your, to your affiliate link. But you don't want to send them every time. You want to post engaging stuff, build your Instagram account, build it, use post early. And as I said, it's absolutely free. So that's how you can earn money online automatically for free every single day. Just let people go there and buy it. And once your Instagram account start growing and it gets big, you're going to get more money over and over again. So it shouldn't take you a lot of time to start making money. If you're consistent and you do this, you can start to see some return within the next 45 to 60 days consistently. And you don't have to worry about working for people. You probably do this and start making a lot more money than what you're doing currently, right? Because I know people who are doing this as well. So just go out there, crush it, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, earn money online. See you on the next one. Peace.